So the Lacey MakerSpace is an 8,000 square foot training facility as well as a community makerspace. We offer state-of-the-art equipment and resources for starting businesses to individuals, entrepreneurs, business owners. It's all wrapped up in this amazing facility right here in Lacey, Washington. My name's Michelle Pope, and I'm the director of the Lacey MakerSpace. I've been the director since June of 2021. So the Lacey MakerSpace partnered with AJAC because we're interested in enhancing our current offerings and in a way that aligns more with industry standards. We're very familiar with AJAC and the programs that they offer, and the apprenticeship programs, pre-apprenticeship programs, and they really align with, again, with the training center we're trying to make the Lacey MakerSpace become. We're interested in helping be that pipeline to connect skilled workers with local industry. What excites us about the partnership between the Lacey MakerSpace and AJAC regarding our community and what it can do is it's just going to enhance those offerings that we already provide. We have so many community members that are coming here looking to just gain new skills, maybe for their home, or that they have a business that they want to start, or they're expanding their entrepreneurial endeavors. So people are already coming here seeking that opportunity, that economic advantage. And this partnership with AJAC will only enhance that opportunity because of the kinds of classes that will offer, the connections with the local manufacturers, and all of that just will help strengthen our economy and strengthen the region. Skilled workers, it's better for families, it's better for other local businesses, just supporting the local economy. I believe that the goal of the Makerspace, where the founder's vision as well as my own to see the Makerspace in 5 years, is that we are this regional training space that's also a community makerspace. We're a very inviting, welcoming space. We have 8,000 square feet of state-of-the-art equipment that anybody can come and use, and that anyone's interested in bettering themselves, in learning skills in textiles, welding, woodworking, 3D printing, computer design. We have this wealth of state-of-the-art equipment that's available for anybody who wants to learn.